In the previous video, we built our very first panel web application and learned how to display content on a web page using only Python. Now, let's take the next step and make our application interactive. In this example, we're going to create a button and respond to a user action. This is one of the most important concepts in web development, reacting to user input. First, we create a button component. This button will be visible on the page and can be clicked by the user. We also give it a clear label and a visual style so it stands out. Next, we create an output area below the button. At the beginning, it simply shows a message telling us that it's waiting for a click. Think of this as a place where we'll display feedback to the user. After that, we define what should happen when the button is clicked. This is called an event. When the user clicks the button, we update the text in the output area and show a new message. This small change already demonstrates how panel applications can react dynamically to user actions. Then we put everything together in a vertical layout. The title goes at the top, followed by a short description, then the button, and finally the output text. Once again, we're building a full web interface using plain Python code. And finally, we make the application available to be served. Now let's run the application. After starting it, open the given address in your browser. You'll see that the button has been successfully created. When you click the button, the text below it changes immediately. Everything works exactly as we expected. This is our first real interactive panel application. In the next video, we'll continue learning new features and take our web apps even further. Let's keep going.